The 2026 Prevost Loki Coach, Elite H Series, brings a new standard of luxury to the open road. Designed on the proven Prevost H3-45 chassis, it merges engineering excellence with 5-star comfort. For expansive slide-outs, transform the living space into a penthouse on wheels, complete with heated floors, smart motorized shades, and spa-inspired bathrooms. Entertainment is redefined with 3 motorized screens and integrated Garmin smart controls, making every journey effortless. Energy independence comes from a 96 kilowatt-hour lithium battery system paired with a 2.5 kilowatt solar array, providing up to 36 hours of off-grid autonomy. Priced at around $1.8 million USD, this rolling masterpiece isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of freedom and refined living that turns every mile into an unforgettable experience. The BRABUS BigBoy 1200 is a custom-built, luxury motorhome that redefines the concept of a recreational vehicle. Developed in collaboration with STX Motorhomes, it is a 12-meter-long masterpiece on wheels, boasting over 30 square meters of living space. The interior features are highly luxurious, including electrically extendable slide-outs that expand the living and bedroom areas, a gourmet kitchen, a bathroom with natural stone, and entertainment systems like a PlayStation 5 and Starlink satellite internet. Powered by a 12.8-liter 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, it produces 530 horsepower and 2,600 nanometers of torque. Though its top speed is electronically limited to 90 kilometers per hour, this luxury motorhome price around $1.4 million. The Renegade XL is a top-of-the-line Super C motorhome, renowned for its luxurious features and robust performance. Built on a heavy-duty Freightliner or Western Star tandem axle chassis and powered by a 600 HP Detroit DD16 diesel engine, it offers exceptional power and stability for long-distance travel. The spacious interior features a bunkhouse floor plan with 3 slide-outs, a master suite, and 2 full bathrooms. The coach is outfitted with high-end residential amenities, including a Samsung bespoke refrigerator, heated porcelain tile flooring, and multiple 4K smart TVs. Advanced technology, such as a multiplex control system with app functionality, a 12.5 kilowatts Onan generator, and a 360-degree camera system, ensures a premium and convenient travel experience. Its price around $740,000 to $790,000 US. Starting at approximately $1.2 million USD, the Foretravel Presidential Realm Series is the pinnacle of mobile opulence. Built on a rock-solid Spartan K4 chassis and powered by a Cummins X15 engine delivering 605 HP, it's as formidable to drive as it is lavish to live in. Step inside to discover exquisite craftsmanship, from Cambria quartz countertops and handcrafted cabinetry to plush residential furnishings and full tile floors. For slide-outs open to reveal expansive living spaces, while high-end features like 4K QLED smart TVs, theater seating, a flat-floor design, hydronic heating, and cutting-edge safety systems ensure you travel in comfort and style. With lavish decor, advanced tech, and luxurious convenience everywhere you look, the Realm series is truly a home fit for royalty, where every journey becomes an indulgent experience. Pilote G740 FC redefines the concept of luxury touring with its elegant design and exceptional comfort. Its sleek exterior is matched by a spacious, thoughtfully planned interior that feels more like a modern apartment than a motorhome. A bright lounge with panoramic windows invites natural light, while the fully equipped kitchen boasts premium finishes and clever storage for extended journeys. At the rear, the deluxe island bed offers hotel-level comfort, complemented by a large wardrobe and a private bathroom. Built on the dependable Fiat Ducato chassis, It delivers a smooth, stable ride with excellent fuel efficiency. Advanced insulation, efficient heating, and cooling systems ensure comfort in any season, making it ideal for year-round travel. Pricing starts at around $120,000. For adventurers who demand the pinnacle of overland capability, the Earthroamer LTI delivers unmatched power, reliability, and comfort wherever the journey takes you. Its 6.7L turbo diesel engine and 4x4 Ford F550 chassis provide the strength to conquer remote trails, while the interior is thoughtfully designed with a fully equipped kitchen, spacious sleeping area, and a modern bathroom that makes life on the road effortless. Priced at around $810,000, this overland vehicle represents the ultimate investment for those serious about off-grid exploration. Rugged engineering meets luxury, ensuring you can tackle the toughest terrain without sacrificing comfort or convenience, turning every expedition into a truly elevated experience. Embarking on a journey in the Voyageur Eterna 7.8 GLF is akin to stepping into a world where comfort meets elegance. Picture yourself waking up to the soft glow of morning light filtering through expansive panoramic windows, the gentle hum of the engine as you cruise along scenic routes, and the serenity of a king-size bed awaiting you at the end of the day. The fully equipped gourmet kitchen invites you to prepare meals with ease, while the spacious lounge area offers a perfect spot to unwind. With its advanced climate control systems, every journey is tailored to your comfort, ensuring that each mile is as enjoyable as the destination itself. All this luxury comes at around $420,000. Crafted for those who view travel as an art form, the Newell P50 embodies a perfect blend of engineering mastery and indulgent living. This 45-foot motorcoach stretches elegance across every corner, from its hand-finished cabinetry to its spacious 4 slide-outs that expand into a residence on wheels. With a price averaging $2.6 million USD, the P50 positions itself not just as transportation, but as a statement of lifestyle. Inside, travelers are greeted with a chef's kitchen, quartz countertops, a designer master suite, and a cockpit equipped with the latest driving technology. On the open road, it delivers a ride smoother than many luxury sedans, all while surrounding its passengers with the feel of a private penthouse. Starting at $475,000, this motorhome is built to turn dreams of adventure into reality. The Adrenalin Overland truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a fortress on wheels, designed for explorers who crave both freedom and security. Riding on a powerful Ram 5500 or Ford F550 chassis with a 6.7L diesel engine and liquid spring adaptive suspension, it conquers rough terrains without breaking a sweat. Inside, a handcrafted aluminum and foam core module offers unmatched durability while wrapping you in comfort with solar power, advanced 24V systems, and generous water storage. Every feature is engineered to let you travel deeper, stay longer, and explore further, proving that the road to adventure begins the moment you turn the key. The Adria Sonic Plus is a motorhome that blends everyday usability with the comfort of a high-end travel vehicle. Its sleek, aerodynamic exterior gives it a modern presence on the road, while the interior has been designed with smart functionality in mind. Large panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, making the lounge area feel bright and open. The kitchen includes everything you need for cooking on the go, while the bedroom is a private retreat with generous storage and a comfortable bed. Starting at around $111,100 the Sonic Plus strikes a balance between affordability and premium features, making it appealing to travelers who want comfort without venturing into the ultra-luxury category. Imagine strapping your dreams to a legendary Unimog and setting off on a family adventure where every terrain feels conquerable. The Freedom Mog 2.0, built on a 1985 Mercedes Unimog U1300L, transforms rugged engineering into a cozy mobile retreat. Inside, hand-cut pine wood accents warm the space, while a full kitchen, wet bath, and convertible sleeping areas for up to 4 turn it into a real home on wheels. Hidden treasures like a rear deck that folds out for sunsets, a solar-powered 3000W system with 350Ah lithium batteries, and a well-organized control panel makes self-reliant travel effortless. Starting at approximately $150,000, it offers an off-grid lifestyle without compromising comfort, letting you go farther, stay longer, and live fully wherever the road takes you. Step aboard the ultimate luxury haven on wheels, where every inch of the Loki coach Prevost transports you into a world of opulence and innovation. Plush white leather seats, priced at $20,000 each, beckon you into the cockpit, while 10 touchscreen Garmin tablets put full control of lighting, media, and even privacy glass at your fingertips. Whether you're hosting movie night in a dedicated theater, whipping up a feast in one of 2 sleek kitchens, or drifting off in the master suite with its king-size bed and retractable 50-inch TV, this motorhome redefines what mobile luxury means. All this indulgence comes with a price tag of around $2.5 million USD, making each journey feel like a private escape in a mega mansion on wheels. Gigantic lithium batteries and solar innovations grant you off-grid freedom for days and every detail. The HYMER Crossover is a type of recreational vehicle RV that combines the comfort and features of a traditional motorhome with the robustness and off-road capabilities of an adventure vehicle. This model is built on a heavy-duty chassis, often with all-wheel drive and a reinforced suspension, allowing it to navigate rough terrain, unpaved roads, and difficult weather conditions. It features a compact design for easier maneuverability and a self-sufficient electrical and water system, including powerful batteries and large tanks, making it ideal for extended trips off the grid. The interior is built for durability, yet maintains a comfortable and efficient living space with a kitchen, dining area, and sleeping quarters. Its unique blend of luxury, functionality, and ruggedness positions the HYMER Crossover as an excellent choice for those who want to explore remote destinations without sacrificing the comforts of home. Its price around $176,000 US. The Loki Basecamp Falcon 8 is a premium, 4-season truck camper designed for serious overlanding and adventure. Hand-built with a lightweight yet durable aluminum shell, it boasts a double-density composite insulation to ensure comfort in extreme temperatures. The unit features a modular interior that can be reconfigured to suit different needs, with a queen-sized bed, a functional kitchenette with an induction cooktop and sink, and a mudroom with a removable interior shower. A standout feature is its hydraulically powered rear liftgate, which opens to offer panoramic views and easy access for loading gear. It priced around $135,000. The OPUS OPLite is a compact, off-road camper trailer designed for adventurers seeking a balance of convenience and rugged capability. Weighing just 2,380 pounds, it's easily towable by most SUVs and Jeeps. Its key feature is the patented air tent inflation system, which inflates the main tent structure at the touch of a button in under 2 minutes, eliminating the hassle of traditional poles. The trailer boasts a slide-out stainless steel kitchen with a 4-burner stove, sink, and fridge, allowing for a full outdoor cooking experience. The interior includes a convertible lounge and an RV queen-size bed, providing comfortable sleeping for 2 adults. With independent trailing arm coil suspension and an all-terrain chassis, the OPLite is built to handle tough roads and off-grid camping.